Hi, what I'm going to do is show you how to change in a Lenovo. This is a Yoga Pro 2 Pro. How to change the cooling fans in here. It's fairly easy. What you'll need is a small Phillips head screwdriver. This is a double aught times 2. I also have a Torx 6x2 Torx and just a small regular screwdriver. That's all you should need. So let's get down to it then. So to start with, you'll notice we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11 screws that need to come out of here. These are the Torx head, double aught 2, a T6-2 Torx head, very small one. And just remove these screw heads. Okay, now to remove this back, it's really pretty simple. I take this regular screwdriver and down here at the hinge, carefully just pry up, pull it up and off, out of the way. There. Now we're down to the core of the inside of here. Here's the cooling fans, here and here. Now what we'll use is we'll use the Phillips screwdriver, and there are first off, we want to take this strap off, this cable strap, ply up here and here carefully and remove it. That cable strap will come out of the way. It was across here. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. I think there are 4 screws. Figure this out as we go. Okay. Now let's take the Phillips head screw. Helps if it's magnetic. One there. One right here. I'm recording. And then one here. One here. Then you also have to remove this screw here that was underneath the strap. Get that one separate. It's a little different than the others. And now this whole pallet is loose here. Now these little cables right here need to be removed, snapped from in here. And now what you do is we have to remove these little plugs that run from the fan over to here, and just take your screwdriver and just slide on it lightly, apply on it lightly, and pull them straight out. Same here. So those are just disconnected and moved out of the way. Now this little plug-in right here wants to unplug itself, so it wouldn't hurt to unplug that, move it out of the way. And now on the back side of this, in here, there are 4 screws, 4 Phillips head screws right here and here and here. You want to remove those. They're a little tighter to move, and they're set on a little rivet so they won't pop out or fall out of there. But loosen those 4 screws next. Okay, I've loosened those 4 screws, and now it just comes out like that. Okay. It's very simple to put the other one in. The new one. Just reverse order the way you took the other one out. Just thought I'd just a kind of a warning. This screw right here, that's actually on the circuit board, that doesn't hold this in, it holds the circuit board on, is got a wider diameter to it. If you try to put it in here, it might strip this hole out. So make sure you put it into this one and the smaller 4 in these 4 locations. This one is a wider head. I've snapped these in place. Everything should be good at this point. Now, don't forget to put this cable back on. Snaps in this side, snaps in that side. Everything should be good and set to go at this point. At this point, I've fired it up. This fan is turning. This one's not yet turning, but it's quiet as a mouse. And the reason I replaced it was because both of these were making noise. And I tried cleaning them. I even tried some lubricant in there, which a little WD-40 shot in from the back in here, quieted him down for just a few hours, and then it came back. So as far as I can tell, the only way to repair these is to replace them, and they're not expensive to replace. So now I'm going to put the back on, if I can find it. What did I do with the back? It's weird. It's got to be here somewhere. Oh, there it is. Okay. We're just going to put the back on. Goes on the same way it came off. I usually put this side in first. Set it in place, and then just set it down. Place the Torx screws. 11 Torx screws. Simple as that. And there we have it. It's quiet as a mouse again. Thinking about replacing it, for a couple $100. And this part cost me, I think it was $20 or $19.99 on online. So there you go. Have fun. Like and subscribe if you want.